Alright guys, today I am at the Robinson Mall here in Angeles City. Don't ever think I did a video of the Robinson Mall here, so we're here today. Luis's brother's got to get a MBI clearance, and they do it here. They do MBI clearance for work permits here for Filipinos only. So we're going to take a little stroll through the Robinson Mall here, and I'll show you guys around. Hey, Bang.
Thank you.
Afternoon. There is 3 floors here to Robinson. It's not a big mall. It's a pretty small mall. Small mall. Rhymes. Health store on the left here. Ideal Vision. Nice furniture here. All mahogany. At least that's what it says, mahogany. Pesos. Mahogany. Buco Express. Mercury Drugstore. Say it's not a very big mall. 3 floors. New York Cafe. Ate in there one time. Had lasagna. It's pretty good. KFC. Back in the corner here. I think every mall has a Jollibee. Little bookstore here. Alright, let's head up to the 2nd floor. 2nd floor. Makeups, hats. Little hat store here. A lot of this seems to be, I don't know, secondhand, or I don't know. There are no name brand stores up there. Game World. I don't know, I don't think they're secondhand stores. I just think they're... Oh, there's Bench, so there are name brand stores here. And music. wait for the music. Got a Robinson's supermarket here. Shopped in there quite a few times. It's like everything else. Some things are cheaper in there than in the, in the hypermart over at SM. But yeah, they have actually a nice supermarket here. Generic pharmacy. All right, let's head up to the 3rd floor. All right, 3rd floor. Final floor. Ace Hardware store up here. This is their sale items. And music, of course. Oh, Do It Best. Do It Best handyman up here, not Ace. Music, more music. But up on this floor is on stage. You got little pianos in there. I think you go in there and play and record things. School for the Arts. But yeah, 3rd floor, a couple little eating stores up here. Movie theater in the corner here. Checked yesterday when I was here, 190 pesos for a movie. A lot cheaper than up at SM. Got a massage place here, exchange place, photo place here. You get your little photos that you need. US dollar is 50.15. So. Yeah, I'll be coming here next time I go check out a movie. 190 pesos, can't beat that. And little snacks here. Hot dogs and chips and sodas, popcorn, large popcorn, 95 pesos, soda, 40 pesos. Yeah, a lot cheaper here. But you can see this is open here. A lot of times they'll do little shows here, this big open area here. Came in here one time, they were actually doing karate. Had a karate thing going on. It's a pizza joint. Like I said, it's not a very big mall. A little food court back in here. We'll take a little stroll back in here. It's like an internet cafe. Yeah, internet cafe. Oh, that's where you got to do your stuff. M Lawyer. Cell phone place. Juice joint. Mangcha. Got the relaxing chairs. Massage chairs, 10 pesos each. MBI clearance application. That's where Lut and Norbs are right now.
Hi there.
Hello. Green Hills Christian Fellowship. Oh yeah, this is it. This is the extent of the mall. Not very big. Take a look down. 3 floors.